channel. Welcome to TMJ Home and Decor. My name is Tawana, and on my channel I share home decorating, cleaning motivation, and organization videos. If that is content that you would love to see, please stay and subscribe and become a part of the Johnson family. If you are new here, welcome. If you have subscribed to the channel, I appreciate you. I really do. So in today's video is a DIY bathroom makeover. I have already prepped the space. I have already sprayed it down with the automotive primer. Next, I'll be going in with the Rust-Oleum Universal Flat Paint in the color black. So if you are interested in seeing what I'll be doing in today's video, just keep on watching. There will be a part 2 of this video, and y'all know what I love to do is decorate. So I can't wait to decorate the space with you guys. So let's get into it. This is how the bathroom looks. All right, now you guys. So this is before. It is a hot mess. And I just want to say that spray painting your fixtures is a great way to upgrade your space without spending a whole lot of money. So an easy upgrade, easy fix. So next, we are going to prep the shower door so that we can sand, prime, and spray paint it. So I'm going to show you how I covered the glass of the shower door so that we can keep it from getting any paint on it. So let's get into it. The paper I'm using is the craft paper from the Dollar Tree. So this regular brown craft paper to cover the window. So first I went around the trim of the glass door with the painter's tape. That's step 1. And then you'll go in. Next step, you're gonna put on your brown paper. Put your brown paper around the trimming so that you cover the entire portion of the glass. Hope this helps. So in this next clip, we are going to sand the metal of the shower door, sand off some of the shine so that the primer and the spray paint can stick. So here is the sandpaper that I'll be using today. So I hope you enjoy this next portion of the video. Bathroom reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it motivates you to do some upgrades and DIYs in your home. I did like how everything turned out. This is my first time doing something really, really big like this and spray painting a number of things at once. But I will tell you, if you're going to try this, prep your space. Prepping is key. I did get some spray paint on the walls and around your toilet area. So I did prep well. And another thing, if you do not have any ventilation in your area that you'll be spray painting in, please at least have more than one fan going. So in this particular bathroom, it does not have any windows. So I had to have at least 2 fans. I had the ceiling fan going on in the family room. What I didn't like were the fumes from the spray paint. So they are horrible. So I had to take a number of breaks, to get air. I did mask up really well. Overall, I am excited about what I have done in this bathroom. It's giving me spa. Super excited to share this project with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. And I hope to see you soon in the next one. Love you bunches. Stay blessed.